Good evening, it's William from WCP Models here. I'm going to do a quick video here just to show how we assemble our wheels for our 116 Opel Blitz. Here's one I did earlier. So we've got the 3D printed wheels. For the front wheel, it's a free wheel, so it's got a bearing in there. But for the rear wheel, it's made up of 3 pieces. So it's got a drive hub, it's got a hex on it, and then we've got the inner and outer wheels. So what we're going to do is we're going to weld these together. We're going to use it with our favourite solvent weld, which is this stuff supplied by EMA Models. This stuff is really good stuff, but you have to make sure that you do use it in a well ventilated area. So we've got all the doors and windows open here in the conservatory, so hopefully the fumes won't knock me out. Right, okay, so we're just going to get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to put, using this brush, and it's a clean brush that I'm just using to apply the solvent weld, try and make sure I don't get it on my skin because it is pretty wicked stuff. Now for this bit, I might need to just go off screen, but right, we need to drift this on, so I'll be back in just a minute once I've applied some more. So I'm just going to get some more applied, get this pressed home, and just put a bit more around the joint. So I had to soften that area there to try and get it drifting, because it is a very tight fit, to make sure it nicely runs through. And what we're going to do here is put a bit more on the next mating face so that we can get the next wheel on, and we just need to pay special attention to make sure we get the spokes aligned. And now we're just going to apply a little bit more solvent weld in there. Just get them nicely aligned. And now it's actually ready for putting the tyres on. Now the tyres, these are not 3D printed tyres, they are rubber tyres. The stuff that we buy in, but they're nice, soft, grippy, and they also look quite good with the tread pan. But there we are with our wheels, our dual rear wheels. And now these are going on our Opel Blitz. And then here's the front wheel. So it's got a bearing both the front and the back. And then we also have a spare wheel. Now I'm just going to have a quick look at just giving it a quick clean, because this is how it comes off the printer. So I haven't even bothered cleaning this yet. And we're just running a knife very carefully around the back, because it is a concave shape. It looks quite brutal, but actually once we've done a bit of cleaning on it, a bit of filing, it actually comes up nicely. And that's actually going to be a spare wheel that's going to sit underneath the chassis. So there we have it. We've got all our wheels and tyres for Opel Blitz. Thank you very much for listening. Have a good evening. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.